Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth every morning. It feels so good.
Good morning. I always drink my tea here.
Baba Joe, do you remember what you do every day?
I wake up. But then I forget everything.
Oh, Baba, you always do the same things every day.
Really? What do I do? Tell me, Maya. Please.
First, you wake up. Then you wash your face.
Oh, yes. I wash my face. I remember now.
And then you make tea. You do it every single day.
Yes, I make tea. Hot tea makes me feel happy.
After breakfast, you go to the garden. You water the flowers.
My flowers. I love them. I talk to them too.
You talk to flowers? Baba Joe, flowers don't understand you.
They understand love. Love does not need words, Maya.
Oh, I never think about that before. That is beautiful.
Maya, I have a small secret to tell you now.
A secret? Ooh. Tell me, Baba Joe. Tell me right now.
I never forget anything. I just love to hear your voice.
Baba Joe.
Every day with you, Maya, is my favorite day.